Hello, welcome to our reading lesson. Today we're going to be using Dougal's Deep Sea Diary to help us with our learning. Okay, now we're going to start with the Rick activity. Can you complete and answer the questions below? R. What does the boy like to do by the ocean? I. Where do you think the ocean floor is? C. Why do you think the poet put an exclamation mark after salty air and ocean floor? For the first part of our lesson, we're going to be looking at a poem. The poem is called Ocean. Take me out to the ocean. Take me out to the sea. Show me the foamy waves rolling there as I breathe in the salty air. Let me look at the ocean. See the sea and explore, for it's fun to dive from the top to the ocean floor.
Hi everyone and welcome to Monday's reading lesson. So for our first activity here I have got a Rick activity. I have given you a little poem there that's called 5 Little Houses and I'd like you to answer the questions. So the poem says, 5 little children hand in hand went to dig in the yellow sand. 5 little castles, trim and neat, soon were standing at their feet. 5 little starfish standing near said, 5 little houses, let's live here. So for your first question, your R question, what creature decided to live in the castles? I. How do you think the starfish felt when they found the sand castles? And C. Why do you think the author chose for starfish to live in the castles?
Okay, let's remember what we were learning about last week. Can you answer these questions? What is the title of the text? Who is the author? Who? What type of audience do you think it was written for? Use the front cover of the text to help you remember. Here is the link for Dougal's Deep Sea Diary. Feel free to listen to it again. Okay, I'd like you to think about these questions. What type of text is this? What is a diary? Who has ever written in a diary before? Have you? If you have, what sorts of things did you write? Here is the Year 1 activity for today. Look at the alternative titles for Dougal's Deep Sea Diary. Put a tick next to the suitable titles and a cross next to the unsuitable titles. 1. Dougal's Underwater Adventures. Could the book be called this? 2. The Adventures of Dougal the Deep Sea Diver. Could the book be called this? 3. Dougal's Forest Adventure. Could the book be called this? 4. The Exciting Adventure of Dougal the Magician. Could this be what the book is called? 5. Dougal Visits the Seaside. Could the book be called this? 6. The Diary of a Deep Sea Diver. Could this be a suitable title? Year 2 activity for today. Put these events from Dougal's Deep Sea Diary into the correct order. You might need to watch the video again to help you. So can you put these different events into what happened on Friday, what happened on Saturday and what happened on Sunday? If you look at the screen, it shows you how many events happened on which days. So the first event is Dougal went to bed and dreamt of Atlantis. And we've also got Dougal was on the train and was excited for the next day. Then we've got Dougal set off on a long coach trip to the harbour. Then we have Dougal set sail in the mid-Atlantic Ocean. Next up we have Dougal went on his first deep sea dive. Then Dougal arrived at the harbour very late. Next, Dougal helped at a Pacific dolphin show. Dougal ate dinner and then Dougal found his boat. Remember, these are not in the right order, so you need to put them into the right order, deciding what happened on which day.